In Mount French National Park, Queensland, one of Vinidex's valued customers installed Vinidex's Hydro PVC pressure pipe for an irrigation pipeline. Prior to installing the Vinidex pipes, the pipeline is prepared. Once the pipeline preparation is done, the PVC pipes are installed with captured rubber ring joints, making pipe connection and installation straightforward and safe. The pipeline is then connected to a pump station and the centre pivot and irrigation pipeline project is complete. Vinidex pipes are also used in vegetable processing plants. Here, Vinidex Hydro PVC pipe is used in the processing lines. With FIB large bore PVC quality fittings being supplied by Vinidex. Established since 1960, Vinidex offers unrivaled industry knowledge and experience to a broad range of applications.